How to find last year's adjusted gross income in TurboTax Online. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of TurboTax and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the tax home. Scroll down to your tax returns and documents section. Select the appropriate tax year. Example, 2024 for the AGI needed in 2025. Click View or Print Return for the selected year. Open the downloaded PDF and scroll through your tax return to locate the AGI. Look for Form 1040, specially line 11, which lists your adjusted gross income. If you can't access your TurboTax account, use the IRS Get Transcript online tool to retrieve your tax transcript. Ensure you have the required information, social security number, filing status, etc. to verify your identity. Contact TurboTax support for assistance if you encounter issues. So this way you can easily find your last year's AGI in TurboTax Online. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.